Hello, my quilting friends. My name is Leah Day, and we are quilting Drunk Spiral today. This is a wiggly wobbly spiral design that I'm first quilting on my Singer heavy duty sewing machine. The cool thing about Drunk Spiral is how the design echoes and nests together. Each spiral is basically an amoeba shape that echoes the shapes around it. So first stitch a row of wiggly wobbly drunken spirals, then echo the shapes you quilted before. Once you get the first set stitch, the next row is going to be even easier. Now when it comes to quilting any kind of spiral pattern, you will first stitch the outline of the shape, then stitch inside, leaving yourself a nice open space to quilt out. As you stitch back out, just aim to stitch right in the middle of the space you left open. This allows you to quilt the spirals consistently without the lines getting noticeably closer together. But the awesome thing about Drunk Spiral is you can get away with inconsistent quilting. It is so wiggly wobbly, it will be a great design to help you practice echo quilting. When it comes to stitching this pattern on a real quilt, you can put Drunk Spiral anywhere. You could quilt this into the nooks and crannies around applique. You can also quilt this as an all-over quilting design. In fact, I just released Drunk Spiral as a mini quilting stencil. So if you'd rather have a guide to quilting this design, you can find this paper quilting stencil to stitch through at leahday.com/mini. Now let's see Drunk Spiral quilted in a real quilt. Here is a double wedding ring quilt I purchased on eBay. I know this is a little hard to see because I'm quilting with white thread over cream fabric, but understand this may be the same contrast you see if you're quilting with matching thread color and fabric. Here I'm quilting with a 16x Elite Longarm on a rolling rail quilting frame, and I'm steering the machine around to form that wiggly drunken spiral shape. This is quilted on a much larger scale, so this quilt will finish soft and cuddly. You can see how I wiggle around, stitching the outline of the shape close to the double ring arcs, and then swirl inside and back out again to create each repeating pattern. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please come and find 365 different free motion quilting designs you can stitch along with me at leahday.com/365. Until next time, let's go quilt.